has more than 6 years of experience in preschool institutions. Ma'am is very cooperative and dedicated person. I now request Ms. Jyotsna Agarwal ma'am to share her views with us.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. This is Jyotsna Agarwal from Shanti Junior's office, and I am taking care of academics part at Narela Center at Narela, Delhi. So I would just take a few minutes to tell you about what Shanti Juniors is and how long we have come here. So it's a just preschool chain which you all know, and it's operated by SEIL, that is Shanti Educational Initiative Limited, under which we are successfully running 350 plus centers all over India. Like we have 350 plus schools all over India by now. And we lay the foundation of learning and preparing the child for formal education. We also provide a stimulating and child friendly environment in which we take care that with the different approaches and in methodology, we try to nurture every single child. Plus, we have almost 75,000 plus nurtured kids by now, including all of our centers. We are present in 74 cities and still counting. Also, we have a staff of more than 3,000 people with us all across India. So it's a preschool chain. We are coming up with new opportunities every time. And this center, Narela Center, this is our new center itself. And it has done great in very few months, that I'm sure about. The academic team here, the teachers, they are very hardworking. Plus the center owner, Mrs. Priyanka Gautam, she is a very talented person as far as I know her. She has her own experience in education for a long time. So she is doing a great job at the center by now. And I have been observing this summer camp since it started. They have conducted really interesting activities in a very organized manner. I will tell you, during these times, it is really difficult for us to conduct everything online, especially when kids are so small. Hardly kids were not, above than 6-7 years maybe. So at this age, it's really difficult to make a child focus in this at this age, in this online scenario. But this school, Narela Center, the teachers, their efforts, they have been able to conduct all the classes, be it dance, taekwondo, craft, painting, other activities, very successfully online. And as parents, also, I'm sure you all are really proud that your child has attended this summer camp. And that is why we are doing this event, just to give a token of appreciation to these little young ones who have shown their efforts, who have really done a great job at this summer camp. So without taking much time, I would request ma'am to proceed further with it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for sharing your experience, your valuable views with us. Shanti Juniors Narela has various experts in summer camp. Today, we have with us the dance expert, Miss Mamta ma'am. She has more than 10 years of experience in dance field. She has her own YouTube channel and her own dance academy as well. Next, we have with us our yoga expert, Miss Aditi Sharma.